How to use the magnet frame with HaloX. Install the magnet frame. First, install this iron sheet. Tighten the screw. Then install the magnet frame here. Tighten the screw with 3mm hexagon socket. Next, select the embroidery frame. Click this button. Then click here. Choose the magnet frame. Click OK. The machine will move the frame automatically. Put the backing paper into the pillow. Keep the backing paper on the top of frame. Check the embroidery position. Fix the fabric with magnets. Insert the USB drive to transfer the pattern. First, click this button. Then click the USB button. Select the pattern we want to embroider. Click OK. Click OK again. The pattern will be transferred to the machine. Click OK. Here you can adjust the data of the pattern. Click this F. We can adjust the direction of the pattern. After data checking, click OK. The pattern will be displayed here. There is a number 5 here. It means that needle number 5 is in standby. We use needle number 5 to check the frame position. Click here. Machine will automatically move the frame. Confirm that the presser foot is in the embroidery frame. Next, we select the color. Click the position with numbers here. Select the color order given by designer. Click OK. Then click this button. Enter the embroidery state. Click OK. Click the green button. We can start embroidery.